Portugal!
Why this game is so famous? On your computer, one of the screensaver pics is from Benagil.
Oh.
Yeah, Windows 10.
Wow!
Excelente! Fantástico!
Got another child. Hello everyone, welcome to Boat Bear channel. This video is going to be about my 4 days 3 nights at Portugal. Day 1, which mainly covers us flying and getting from Faro Airport, the famous Benagil Cave Boat Tour, where one of the Windows 10 desktop, trying the seafood Cataplanas and the amazing stone steak. If you haven't already done so, please remember to subscribe, like and share if you would like to see more travel vlogs from Boat Bear. We have to get this bus to Lagoa. It's so sunny here.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground.
That's the hotel that we are staying at.
For a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life. Feel a mile high when you're on my side. High up in the sky, cruising through the night. Feel a
Wow, that's the pool view. Toilet. We are heading to Portimão. So we just landed at Faro Airport this morning and we are here now at Portimão going for the Benagil Cave Tour. People normally come here during the summer, but yes, I'm here during the winter.
Restaurants too, good restaurants. They capture the fish directly from the sea to the restaurants. Nice one, yeah. But this place has a story, okay? A funny story. Can you see that church on the top? Beautiful, yeah? My boss married there. But 2 weeks later he's got divorced in Portimão. This is the only private castle in Portugal, in whole Portugal. Imagine, a lot of money. It's close, but during the summer they have the best drinks. Caipirinhas, mojitos, pina coladas, and of course the big parties are in here. Sometimes 20 minutes, 20 on occasion. So many boats, the boats come online. On the left side we have a beach for naked people. So if you pass here during the summer, close your eyes like me, okay? This way, huh? And no photos. To the right side we have the José Mourinho beach. Do you know José Mourinho? The many tunnels and many caves will be seen and visited, okay? Now we're gonna pass through the Panama Channel. Yeah, but it's our Panama Channel, not the real one. And there's another elephant started on the rock, okay? Right side, can you see it? Our little Dumbo.
Yes.
Yeah. This is my first piece of art to you, okay? I'm a sculptor, and sometimes with a hammer, a little hammer. Yeah, this is a place where the smugglers or even the pirates made these trades, okay? This is the only cave with a hole on the right side. The rest of the caves that we will see have a hole in the middle. Everything illegal passes through that big hole on the rock. For me, this is the most beautiful place on the tour, okay? Not the most popular is in Benagil, is the Benagil Caves. But for me, personally, this is the most beautiful place. It's better if you take off your sunglasses to see the different colors inside. It's so amazing. Yeah. Do you know Santorini?
Yeah.
In Greece, Santorini.
Yeah.
But for me, it's too much better. I have a good reason for that. It's cheaper. Look on the top of the cliff, right side. There's a white building with yellow windows behind the palm trees. Can you see it? It's a school, a public school. Imagine your kids or son studying in a place like that, with this view. Amazing. You will see a face of a monster, okay?
Yes.
2 eyes, a big nose, and a mouth.
I see it. I see it.
So, with the separation of the continents and the waters, okay, the fossil stays here. Do you have any idea why this cave is so famous?
No.
No? When you are at home on your computer, one of the screensaver pics is from Benagil.
Oh.
Yeah, Windows 10.
Really? Alright, let's go.
Happy, I'm happy.
How was
finished.
Yeah, how was the cave tour?
So good.
Honestly, I think it's quite worth it.
Yeah.
Though. It's like 1 hour and a half. So it's like quite nice. You get to see so many
There's a lot of
caves,
caves.
and then like explanations.
Yeah.
Sunshine. I don't know, coastlines, beautiful view basically.
You might see dolphins too.
But we don't get to
But
see
we don't get
dolphins.
to, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, 是走到 actually.
Okay, we are heading back to our hotel after dinner / lunch. And because one meal is not enough, Lidl it is. Cheers.
Take off. Excellent. Very
Did I?
nice. Take photo.
Wow.
Excellent. Fantastic. Very
Okay.
good. Pomodoro.
Tomato.
Yeah, tomato. It's good. The tomato meat very good.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Look it up. Fantastic.
Oh my
Remain
god.
the sauce. That. Look that. Just really excellent. You see?
Wow.
Very nice. Yeah, like medium, well done. Medium
rare for me.
yeah, medium. This one. Okay. Medium one, huh? Excellent. Very good.
The photo. Theo một cái là medium rare. With piri sauce. Nando's. Flan pudding.
是真的很小片哦，上口就吃完了。But it's good. It's good.
我觉得这边的狗很好吃，它 steak 也好吃
Everything is good.
，steak is good, fries is good, rice is good, very very is good,
Yeah. The carrot is good. Tomato is good.
everything is good. 很好吃。
Oh my god, just look at that.
These people, you go house Portuguese, and you go out outside, give you port wine.
Oh, so like
Yeah.
after meal, then
Yeah, after
drink
meal,
bottle
okay.
wine. Oh. It's sweet, but it's good.
sweet.
Oh my god, it's good.